Hey guys, it's Dan here, and if you can tell, it is hotter than heck out today. Out on the boat again. What I'm going to be making for you today is a peach cobbler. Unfortunately, I just realized that I lost the first part of my video, so the part that I lost, you're going to notice that I made alright, I'm in a 12-inch lodge. I buttered it real good, the whole pan and everything, and then I put 2 cans of peach pie filling. I put a whole box of yellow cake mix, and then I also put butter on top. It's actually in the grill right now. Hopefully it'll be done real soon. Got a few more chores to do around the boat, but I'll start the part of the video where I'm mixing everything up. Alright, I got both cans in there. I'm just going to spread everything around evenly on the bottom. Alright, now what I've got is I've got one, it's a 15.5 ounce yellow cake mix, and I'm just going to gently sprinkle this over everything. Let me move my spoon out of the way real quick. Then I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to smooth everything out, make sure that everything's good and covered, get it about as even as I can. And while I'm doing this, I have my grill preheating right now to 400 degrees. And then the last thing I do, I just take some butter and just put little pats of butter all around the top. And this is the whole recipe. Alright, that looks like enough butter on here. So, I'm just going to open my grill. I'm going to throw this inside here. Like I said, my grill's at 400 degrees. And I'm just going to toss it in there, and I'm going to check on it here in about 40 minutes, and I'll see what it looks like. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, this has been on for about 45 minutes. I don't know if you can tell or not because it's starting to get dark out here. But man, that is bubbling good. The top is crisped up real nice. Do have a little bit of burning going right there. I might not have the pan quite centered because I'm only using the outside burners on this. But I'm going to call this done. I'll be doing my taste test here in just a few minutes. If you guys like my videos, enjoy what I'm doing with my outdoor cooking and everything, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Right after you hit that red subscribe button, hit that bell right next to it, and then you'll get notifications when I put out new videos and everything. But I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes, and I hope you enjoyed this cook. Alright guys, I've been waiting about an hour for this right here. I don't know if you can tell, it is still bubbling hot. I'm probably going to end up scalding my mouth again, like I do in most of my videos, but I just can't wait. I've let it cool for about 5 minutes. Take a look at that right there. Let yours cool down for about 7 or 8 minutes, but man, that is good. I've been smelling that for the last 50 minutes or 45 on the grill. Perfect. Hope you all enjoyed this short little video. Get outside, start cooking, fire up your grills, do whatever you need to do. Y'all have a blessed day.